That was years ago.
I miss when it was the mermaid.
Me too.
What the hell is this guy doing?
Use the left 2 lanes.
Yep, he's turning left.
Solomon
He's gonna turn
Island
left
Road.
there. Yep. Just turn left from the right turn lane. I mean, how many signs do you have to... Everything's spilling all over the car. Whoa! Jesus Christ. That's what happens when you slow down to 45, like people are just gonna cut you off. Oh.
Yikes. What?
I mean, he almost made like a 90-degree turn to make that exit.
I still live with my mom and dad. I'm 5'3" and overweight. I'm a sci-fi.
Holy crap.
Yeah, you can get nonstop.
I heard him, but I was like,
You can get nonstop to basically anywhere from here. Roll right through the... Oh my god. These guys. Yeah, I just use them, I check them like every 4 or 5 seconds when I'm on the highway just because, like that way I can keep track of who is where and who's...
The pride of Austin, Texas, Sue Foley, with a song called Queen Bee from a release. Oh god, that's almost.
What the hell are you doing? Wow, oh my gosh. Oh! I mean, that thing's gonna blow up. Holy crap. Yeah.
based off-road vehicles. So it's like your next step up from a golf cart.
Yeah. Yeah, nice work, buddy. The Pontiac on the tow truck?
Yeah, I'm behind it right now.
Yeah, that was pretty gnarly. Whoa, nice last second decision. Weak. Fucking retard. What, are you gonna turn left in front of me?
August 13th from 10:42. Or listen on Alexa, Google Assistant, or how
Oh, red light. Now it's green. You gotta indicate or do something. Come on. Indicate before I'm next to you. What are you doing?
I forget exactly, but to make things how confusing it was, so many problems when they were in the middle of replacing it. Oh, nice.
It's dumb, man. This person is just on the wrong side of the road now. I mean, you could have made that, but you just sat there and dicked around. You could have made that too. I don't understand what you're waiting on. Fucking go! Ain't no way she's making that. Oh my god, that was 3 seconds late. Yeah, that's cheap.
Sending hot air. Stop using words because.
So far my team's Tom Brady, Juju, Jerry Jeudy, Philip Lindsay, Kareem Hunt, Mark Andrews, Emmanuel Sanders, Justin Tucker, about to pick up the Broncos defense.
So I took her hands when it all began, and we headed towards the parking lot.
So you going 60 and a 40? Oh, this guy. What the hell is this guy doing? I mean, he's going 25 getting on the freeway. I've never seen a competent dump truck driver in my life. So why'd you get into this lane if you wanted that lane? What are you doing? Oh, this is Bob.
Five iron golf.